The quickest way to find photographs and documents on your computer if you're using Windows 10 is to take your pointer down to the taskbar down the bottom and click onto the yellow folder which is positioned here on this computer and left click once onto it. So clicking onto the yellow folder, which is called File Explorer, opens up the file aspect of your computer, which deals with documents, photographs, downloads from the internet, and also videos and music if you've got those on your computer as well. The quick access bar shows you most likely where you'll want to go on your computer, which is downloads, documents and pictures. But also if we look down here under this PC, we've got a more comprehensive list. We've got your desktop, which are the icons on your desktop. We've also got documents, which are all the documents that are on your computer, downloads, anything from the internet that you've downloaded, music, any music files that you've uploaded from your phone or from iTunes or from the internet will appear here by default normally. Pictures will always or normally be photographs that you put onto your computer. Videos, again, any videos that you put onto your computer from your phone, for example, or from a tablet, will all appear under here. So just to reiterate, if you want to find photographs or documents on your computer, take the pointer down to File Explorer, left click once, and then if you head over here to Documents or to Pictures, you can left click once onto either of these and find the photographs or documents over there.